Here are 10 things you didn't know about manufacturing in Northeast Ohio. 1. The average salary is $78,000. 2. There are 10,000 jobs open right now. 3. Many manufacturers will train you for free or help pay for college. 4. We have 10,000 manufacturing companies. 5. We make everything from robot welders to jet engines to cars. 6. Manufacturing jobs are not this. They're this. 7. Many factories use robots to do the boring jobs. 8. Ohio is one of the top manufacturing states in the country. 9. Many of the biggest and best manufacturing companies are headquartered here. 10. Manufacturing can change your life.
It took me from being at a dead-end job to being an employee at a big-time company.
Your future starts here. Make it better.